Professionals. As you're seeing this video, I assume you're interested or passionate about technology, cybersecurity, and the digital world, and you want to make a career in this domain. So I plan to do a series of such quick videos touching about on each stage in your journey, from internship to your final interview, possibly anyone joining. This is the first in the series, and it's about internships. So cybersecurity, of course, is a great career, but I'm not going to talk about the demand or shortage of professionals or growth or salaries, as we all know the story. Everybody talks about it, and that's the reason why you're sort of cutting now here. But we will start about what you do get an internship. First, of course, remember that anybody taking you under their wings as a cybersecurity interns is making an investment in you, and you must respect that and give your best to the opportunity. Keep your enthusiasm, dedication, and willingness to learn on a great high. Ask intelligent questions and make notes which you should study. Communicate. This means you should provide your mentor with a daily update about what you do. Don't get bothered that you are reporting and you're sending messages or whatever. Avoid messages like okay, thanks, etc. But show your intelligence and show your proactiveness. Take up any assigned task happily. Do not question the assignment because you don't know what has been planned and how the task relates to, say, cybersecurity. But if you have doubts, ask for time from a mentor and discuss with him or her. Do not go talking about this with your friendly neighborhood expert or your colleague, or you land up with a lot of BS. Absolutely. So this is a very sort of short one, and of course, you may also wonder that I'm talking to you first about what you're going to do in the internship, but getting an internship is not easy. Getting into an internship is not easy. There are a number of opportunities for internship with companies or even a couple of NGOs who are doing regular internships. And nowadays, even a lot of government departments are also doing internships or offering internships. And you should look out and join those network and whatever. But of course, we'll talk more about this in the next video. And in the meanwhile, of course, keep these in mind, keep these few things in mind, and I'm sure you will be able to think about it. As we go along, we'll talk about how to get into the internship, how to sort of plan out, and much more. This is a bit intense because you are sort of building the foundation of your career. In any case, stay safe and keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.